What if I told you that AI could run half of your business while you're sleeping and you don't even need to be a techie in order to use it? If that caught your attention, you'll definitely want to watch this video. And if you don't know who I am D. Willis, digital product creator and mentor to other creators. I specialize in using AI as well as creating digital products and automation. But that line was a part of a hook that brought you in, and it was created by AI. So let's dive into my computer because I really want to share with you how this works with driving traffic and creating content for your business. As you can see here, this is the opener I opened with this video right here. We're currently in my tool, the Traffic Takeover, and this helps you stay focused and promote a product for 30 days straight without repeating yourself. And it has everything ready for you so your AI can do the heavy lifting. What happens is that the Hook Lab generates hooks within this software, hooks for your videos, for your post openers, for your email subject lines, ad hooks to run ads with, all saved to your hook swipe file so you can always have the right opener. And if you notice here, if I go down, this is the hook I used. It's going to always tell you what it believes is the best hook to use first. But again, that also depends on the video that you're creating. But if you go down here, you have various types of hooks across video, post, email subject lines, ads, curiosity hooks, and direct sales hooks. All 45 hooks are listed here as a whole, and you can categorize them as well when you click. If I was looking at video hooks, I could have started off, if you're still doing everything in your business manually, this video is about to change your life. I could have opened the video like that. So let's just go through them, and then you'll pick the ones you want. If you like them, you star them. Okay, you star what you like because that's going to help you later on. If you've been through the angle builder already and did not star what you liked, you might want to go back there and star the things that you liked if you've been following along. You can also add hooks manually within here as well, and then upload them. So that is there. And then you can have your notes as well. But these hooks allow you to make a good first impression and capture your audience's attention. And it's all centered and based around the product that you set up. Right now, the product that I'm stress testing is really my free community. And I'm using that as an example for my videos as I build this out live. Yes, this is already built, but it's not ready for the public as of yet because I'm walking through it, stress testing it, and just decided to record myself in the process so you can see exactly the things that I am doing to get this software up to par and make sure that all the bases are covered, not only to help me, but to also help you promote a product within your business for 30 days straight to help you build momentum, to help you gain clarity, and to help you stay focused and really give your product its due when promoting it. Because a lot of us, we create and we do a disservice to our baby. It's like we had a baby and we just dropped it off and didn't had another baby, so we have to take care of our babies, right? So when you create a product or a service, you think of that as your baby. And you need to nurture that baby. And when you don't nurture the baby and go have another baby, then we don't know what happened with the baby. So we need to do what we need to do at least for 30 days to give the baby an opportunity, right? You can put your notes down here as well. Notes are saved for 7 days locally on your local computer, not in here, but after 7 days, it will disappear. And this 7-day storage is giving you time to come back and download it. Maybe you got busy, maybe family came up, maybe you had to leave. So it automatically saves. Test note, and then you will see that it saves by itself. So that's why it's no save button. And once you're done with this module, you will want to select mark this module as complete. There will be a download pop-up reminder saying, hey, don't forget to download this. And the reason why you want to click download is because you will have all of this information, your hook swipe file, in an MD file that can be read by AI. Now, a lot of members in my free builders community, the link to that community is below. You're free to join. But a lot of people are building out or working with AI via the browser in projects or through a AI agent on a project located on their computer. Now, AI reads MD files very, very well. It's a great way to train your AI. And when you put that into your project or your project folder locally, now your AI has all of this information. So if you were to say, hey, open up this with a hook, it has hooks and ideas for hooks based on the information here to give you without you even having to prompt it every single time what you want that hook to be or what that hook would look like. It is already baked in. And the knowledge is not only with AI that's in this tool, but also my 26 years lived experience and wisdom in regards to these internet streets is all baked into this software and into the outputs that you receive. Once you've done that, then you're ready to go over to the promo creator. But we can take a step back to see what we've accomplished so far. We went through the message finder and we got the message. We got our short pitch. We got our product's promise, what this product will do for an individual. Then we went and collected some angles in our angle builder so we can think of different ways to talk about this product without sounding like we're repeating ourselves and without boring our viewers, right, or our audience. It gives us that. Not only does it give us the angle, it also gives us an education piece on that angle. Like, why are we doing that? What is the purpose of this? And what is the outcome that we're looking for in regards to when we use this angle in our content? And then we currently are on the hook. So this is helping us with an opening liner to grab the attention of our target audience. Now, as you go back to the control panel, it's keeping track. This is our active product, the community, and it's keeping track of our progress right now. So we are on step 3, where we just completed step 3. That's why the orange dot is there, out of 9 steps. Now, these down here are shortcuts, which you really don't need to use because you should be going in order, right? Not unless you just want to shortcut back to something that was already completed. It will take you back to that location. But you really need to go in order with this so you can really have the roadmap to what it is that you want to do so far as promoting your product. So we're going to go over here back to the Hook Lab. We see our hooks, we downloaded the hooks, and then we're going to click promo creator, or we could have clicked it over here in the side. All right. So if you're interested in following this journey and following along as I go through all of the steps within this software to give me an overall promo, and of course the 30-day plan is coming, and the traffic tracker that is built into this software to help you track your progress, because what can't be tracked can't be measured. So we want to track what's going on with our traffic for at least 30 days, right? We want to at least see and give our baby a chance, right? So if you like stuff like this, go ahead, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments that you may have, any questions below, and I'll be happy to answer them. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.